Ge-izhi-naganadwaa, journal du plombier numéro Rotunda land. We were searching for a way to save Ogimaakwe's kingdom. Instead, we found one of the most humongous dangers I've ever faced. The dreaded Ogimaakwe Rotunda.
Take it from me, Ogimaakwe Rotunda. This is the best love potion I ever mixed.
Can you guarantee it will make Prince Pomidor fall madly in love with me?
One sip of my passion potion, Vasha Velichnost, and he'd fall in love with a tree stump. We only have to be sure you are the first person he sees after he drinks this peel.
We're good anyway.
It's my red hot pepper detector, and it's going off a scale. Hot peppers, better.
Ouija shake! I'm falling over! Gichi-miigwech! Say, hi! Ge-izhi! Hey, Maaniyoo! Tell me one more time! How does a plumber know he's in trouble?
When he gets that sinking feeling.
Attention, peasants. Those are Ogimaakwe Rotunda's royal red hot peppers you're robbing.
But how can we rob them? They're growing wild.
The Ogimaakwe owns everything in Rotunda. Therefore, you are Ogimaakwe.
Then we'll give the peppers back.
Yeah, what's happening?
It's too late. Ogimaakwe Rotunda has been looking for someone to throw into her dungeon.
Her dungeon?
For the rest of your life, at least.
Let's get out of here!
Je suis d'accord, Noowiijii. Bonsoir, Gichi-miigwech. Mamma!
At least we ditched those bubbling Ogichi-miigwech. Whoa!
As I said, get up in the gom, and you must appear before Ogimaakwe Rotunda.
Do we have a choice?
Thanks to your love potion, Hilda, I'll be the most beautiful bride Rotunda land has ever seen.
We are holding Gibbo Oganak in the throne room, your beautiful rotundedness.
Gibbo Ogimaakwe? Esa Gichi-miigwech. What did they do?
Gichi-miigwech, the royal red hot peppers.
Sure, they were stealing food from Nin? There is no greater crime.
No, dopping in a way, Lovgan Rotunda, in case you bump into the sympathichny krasunchik, Prince Pomidor.
Дякую, Hildo. Now let's see what this miserable Ogimaakwe look like.
Do you think that's our last meal?
Silly goon, you don't get a last meal. Фу! Що ти за королівський кухар? I'll never find the perfect dessert for my wedding to Prince Pomidor.
Don't forget the Gibbo Oganak, your hugeness.
Oh yeah, them. Off with their stigwanth.
Becca, Ogimaakwe Rotunda.
Why does this inini still have his stigwan?
Becca, because instead of Stigwan is the answer to your problem.
Get to the point, Mangijis.
A hot pepper pistachio manepiman.
Hot pepper pistachio manebiman? Gama wika onja nundeman.
It's the perfect new dessert. Just what you're looking for. Maoachka no pitaman.
I command you to make some at once. Then, off with your stigwan. At least your hot pepper pistachio man looks yummy. I'll just take an itty-bitty taste. Вода! Небі! Water! Nebe!
Wait, Minnequanaway! Zhigo, you like Maaniyoo's hot pepper pistachio man?
Who cares about my neighbor man? It's you I love, Noowiijii.
Oh, gotcha, go, lady. You're wrinkling my mustache.
Ce n'était pas de nebe, c'était une potion d'amour.
A love potion? Oh, hi.
Potions motion, come to me, Noowiijii. Gizagen.
Ich bin Zaagi, in Pukatinisha Nam Ninja Noowiijii.
Ashinvika, Agijidansak, log this Niswi in the dungeon. The Mangajis is going to be my husband.
Power, love, curious thing. Make one man weep, make another man sing. Change your heart to a little white dove. More than a feeling, that power.
Come to me, Noowiijii. We shall have the biggest wedding my kingdom's ever seen.
Préférerais me marier avec une assiette de pâtes, même si elle est vieille. Oh!
I have no idea what you just said, Noowiijii, but it's time to start the wedding preparations.
Help! My baptism is over. I'm a prisoner of love. Nina Gosha, Maaniyoo, do you know how to say jumping in Ojibwe? We'll find out when we're back. Gosh konne, jumping. Gosh konne.
These were the most tasteful wedding invitations I could find. Whipped cream flavor. Manga passion fruit. Food! Spinach! How did it get in here?
Oh, lick it.
Go in, Noowiijii. Remember your diet. You have to look slim and trim for our wedding.
We're sure in deep spaghetti.
Don't give up, Noowiijii. It ain't over until the fat lady gets her wedding ring.
And we're going to make sure that doesn't happen. Nous allons nous échapper d'ici. Ogijidas, Noowiijii have escaped.
Hey, tata, ande apane.
Now!
They should lock you up, though not in the traditional sense.
Wait, we have to save Maaniyoo before he gets smothered with affection.
I just love you so much, it hurts. Mwah.
It's hurting me a lot more than it's hurting you.
Let's have a little of your hot pepper pistachio, my neighbor man, while we're planning our future together.
Now you're talking.
Gawin wingin Noowiijii. You are still on a diet.
Please, Bangiseta.
Well, Bangis Etta, just because I love you so much.
You're around this. The Gichi-miigwech have escaped.
Что? How could you be so дурацкий?
Go in.
Find those Ogimaakwe. If they interfere my wedding, I'll have your stick one.
How am I yet, your royal giganticness?
Go in, or you get to know that. Nishime, and you're going to read your wagon. They go to the buzzy yarn. Yay! Put your mokum on away. That's a good Ogichidas.
The only one you should be complimenting here is me, Noowiijii. Now, give me a big hug and kiss.
Noowiijii! What's this going to do? Ogimaakwe! Noowiijii sick!
Find the Gichi-miigwech. We only have 3 hours until the wedding.
Oh, poor Maaniyoo. We've got to save him.
Ambe, j'ai une super idée.
Wagonish, get udermang.
We've got to get the Ogimaakwe to fall in love with someone else.
So we're gonna mix up another love potion for the Ogimaakwe?
Me get.
Then let's get to cooking.
This is the happiest day of my life. And it's the happiest day of your life too.
Add Beijik sprig mistletoe, Beijik ripe artichoke heart, and Beijik hit record CD.
Maybe it had to be a vinyl. Ambesana, Zanigo Gochutuda.
Here, here. Let the wedding begin.
Hey!
Ambe, Maaniyoo's wedding is starting.
I think we finally mixed the love potion.
Let's play Cupid.
Becca, quiet! My moccasin is untied. Good thinking, Noowiijii. I must propose a toast. To Ogimaakwe Rotunda and her big heart. And to Prince Pomodore, her old friend.
To me.
Rotunda, you are the most beautiful equi in kingdom. Виходь за мене. Marry me.
Hamiyet, Prince Pomodore, залюбки.
Migo taye, pejesago.
Noowiijii!
I think I'll drink a toast to Rotunda for not marrying that silly little plumber.
Gawin, don't drink that. Oh, hi.
Ah, you hunky love muffin, you. Mewaja gedunje aduneon.
Ambe, let's make tracks.